Hi guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? I hope you're doing great as always. Today we're just gonna take the combat state and put it into the travel menu state and make a few small fixes and stuff. So it won't be a really long video, it'll just be the usual 10 minutes, probably even less than that maybe. But yeah, before we get started, please check out the description box. You got a bunch of useful links down there to other playlists. You got my support page, you can follow me on Twitter. Also you can drop a like or subscribe if you want to do that. That helped me out a lot. But thanks anyway for the support. So if we just keep going here, let's see. So we're in travel menu state. We have game state.h. I'm just going to remove combat state, the include from there. And I'm going to go ahead and go into, let's see. Let's go into game state here. Now, I did try this out. This is how it looked before. So we had the state here, so I just removed that from the switch case, and I removed this combat state, what do you call it, the menu option basically. So I just removed that to make it easy for us. And also I added, I think we did this in the last video, I'll remove this as well. There we go. So I included the combat state in here. Now all we have to do is in travel menu state .cpp. So as soon as we find an enemy, I'm gonna push that state. Okay, I'm gonna push it and it's gonna be fine. So I just pasted this, so we push the state, new combat state, and we should be fine. All right, so once we meet an enemy, we will we'll be able to get into the combat state, attack, flee, defend, all that stuff. Okay, but we don't want to be able to travel, we don't want to be able to do all that stuff if the character is dead. Now that's also something we're gonna have to fix, but that probably will do in the game state. And we'll secure all of these options to make sure that you can't use them when the character is dead. So it's kind of important. But so now I added the state in here, in travel menu state right here. So I just want to say sorry for my voice if it's weird, because I'm kind of a little sick. But yeah, I hope you can hear me anyway. But this is what we're gonna do. So if we just run this program again, not again, for the first time in this video, but still, there we go. So we're just gonna create a little character in here, our usual ASD character, and we're just gonna start the game. And now that option is gone, the one with the combat test is gone. So I'm just gonna go into travel, and that's some weird shit. We're gonna fix that later, and we'll see on the minimap. I'm here, I'm the P, and we're not in any kind of close proximity to any enemy. The big E is an empty plane. All right, so I'm just gonna go to the right a few steps, and I'm gonna go down a few steps. So right now I'm in a shop. So if I go to the right 2 steps, I'll see I'll reach an E here, which is the enemy. So I'm gonna go to the right a few steps, and I meet an enemy. Okay, and the next step would be maybe to go to the right. Now I want it to start directly, but it actually stops at this input. So we'll fix that as time goes on. But for now, let's just see. So here we are. I can heal, I can flee, I can begin the combat, and yeah, let's just see if we can kill this enemy. It looks like I'm gonna die. Yep, I died. So there we go. We're still in the combat state. So I'm just gonna heal up, and I'm gonna begin the combat again. And it's still the same enemy, it looks like. Let's see, I died again. Let's heal. Begin the no, it's a new enemy. Okay, so hopefully I can kill one of these. Okay, I killed it. I healed. I can keep doing this until, yeah, I'm utterly bored by this. Died again. Yeah, so we can keep doing that, whatever, it doesn't matter for this video. But the thing is, we're still in the combat state, and I can if I press flee, that should make me kind of drop some stuff and run. Okay, that's the whole idea. If I quit to this top, it shouldn't be quit to this, it should be go back. But I'm still now on a farm because I moved to the right. So that's cool. If we just quit out of this, let's fix all that stuff. So let's go into combat state.cpp, into the menu here. We're gonna remove quit to desktop. We're gonna remove that. Let's see how we do that. Let's just do a cout right there. So it's gonna be begin combat, flee, or heal. and we can't just go back like that from this state. We'll have to flee. Now here I'm just gonna say you fled and lost some valuables. Is that how you spell it? I guess. You'll lose some EXP, you'll lose some stuff like that. It's fine. It's no big deal. We'll make some kind of function for character. So what would that function kind of be? We can set a function where we have, maybe we'll put it up here to the top, and we'll just say void flee like that, and we'll kind of do boom. We'll define it, and flee should be up here. There we go. So now we can do whatever the hell we want in this flee function, and we might be able to lose stuff. We can do all that stuff. Let's see, set dead. So here we go. We'll just copy this set dead stuff like that. So maybe you don't lose as much. Maybe you lose a little bit less than what you would do otherwise. So we lose a little bit, and then we could just yeah, that should be fine. Let's see. Let's create an integer lost exp, and we'll copy that in there. Wait, we don't want any print. No, never mind. Don't worry about that. We don't want any prints and stuff in here. In here actually. Let's see. What could it return? It could return a string. So this is const std string. So it'll kind of return a string. Yeah, that could be a cool idea. Const std string. No, it's not const. There we go. So what it's gonna do is basically we're gonna make a std string stream ss, and then we're just gonna do int lost exp, like what I wanted to do, like this, and int lost gold. There we go. And it's basically gonna return this as a string, and then lost exp lost gold. There we go. And it's just gonna return a string. And now I can kind of define this as I want. I can do ss. We can print it. Let's do lost exp lost lost exp, and then a space, maybe something like this. I'm not sure. We could play around with this later. P lost gold lost lost gold, like this, probably something like that. Probably want to do the other way around, right? There we go. Okay, so that looks cool. So now we have that, and we just return it. So that'll mean that we can kind of see how much we lost. And if we come back here, you fled and lost some valuables. So this character flee, like this, and then we'll just print this out. So sc out, and print that string out with a new line, and then we'll be able to see what we actually lost. Okay, and I want to do a system pause down here, and a system cls. Sorry about that. There we go. So now we can actually flee the battlefield, and the combat is happening in the travel menu state. So let me just save everything. And we'll just run this, and we'll try to flee, and then we'll get this prompt to how much stuff we lost and everything. So that should be cool. let's do create character, new character. Whoops, I already did -1. Start game. Let's travel. So there we go. Go to the right. Where's my P? There we go. One more. There we go. So I meet an enemy, and now I can't move. All right, I can heal, but let's try the flee. So I fled and I lost EXP 5 and gold 3. Okay, and that should actually quit the combat. Okay, there we go. So let's just make sure before we end the video, which I should have to do soon. I'm just gonna make sure that we quit game state. Set quit true. There we go. So it should be the same in combat state. System pause. Set quit equals true. So there we go. So that should fix it until if you run it one more time, it should fix it. But there we go, guys and girls. I'm gonna have to end the video here. But I hope this was cool. So now we have our travel state. We can actually travel and find stuff and have that affect our character. So that's cool. It's one step. It's not polished at all by any means, but it's at least it's something that can feel like a game, a little more like a game. So you can travel around, you can find enemies and stuff, and play around with that. But thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Hope you learned something. Please check out the description box. A bunch of useful links. My Twitter, you can follow me there. Support page. You can drop a like. You can subscribe if you want. Really helps me out. Otherwise, just thanks for watching, sticking with me, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. All right. Bye bye.